Hello friends, subscribe my channel Writing Task 2 module. Small shop in town and village are closing and they are being replaced by big store. Do you think it is a good or a bad trend? Explain your opinion. Let's start. New current in a modern community in the construction of the huge shopping center because company desire to reach the every customer to sell their products. Although some believe benefits emanate part of the community, consider it is harmful to the society. I strongly believe the damage are the more. BP1. The first aim of the brand is to maximize their profit. In this context, their selling procedure is constructed on the selling more products. Therefore, they encourage the construction of the mall. Precisely, new built shopping field provide to approach final consumer. For example, thousands of individuals visit this location every day according to statistics. In fact, centers are useful for the population. To begin with, the customer can easily find new goods. For instance, mall ensure to buy the international and new products such as cell phone, cloth in the advertisement and computer. Moreover, the cost advantage is more crucial. There are numerous competitors that can be found in the same area. For instance, some product seller in the same field can provide a cheap price to the shoppers. Further, customers have a chance to learn about the different culture like the varying culture of the nation. However, there is a strong doubt in the society. They thought the harm of the shopping mall are more than the benefit. Especially there are no economic advantages because the market is monopolistic. Thus, every seller has the ability to learn the price of the others, mainly brand price of their policy close to the one another. For instance, the price of the same stuff can be is seen almost the same in the store. Another important disadvantage is the unemployment. For instance, the construction of the mall plenty of the store owner are the forced to close their own business due to economic circumstances like decreased number of the customer. In conclusion, despite the benefit of the shopping area, the harms are the more. I seriously consider that they have the more economic and social advantages. In conclusion,